Folks, this dish is truly as beautiful as it is delicious.
Parmesan-Crusted Cod served on top of a bed of sauteed broccolini with some homemade Romesco.
What? All you need is a final little squirt of lemon, and trust me, this is one dish you will remember forever.
Oh, yes.
Did we sell it to you?
I know,
Oh my
wow.
gosh, it's a doozy. It is so good, and it comes together really fast.
Yes.
I'm Chris.
And I'm Wesley.
My Loon.
I knew you were like, what am I going to call it?
Broccolini. So
Yes.
we're doing a dish. I'm telling you,
Yes.
it's one of our favorites. It's seafood, yay! So okay, I'm gonna get going.
Let's get started on the
let's get started.
broccolini.
You want to do? There's some components
there's
here.
a lot.
But it's fish, so it comes together pretty quick. So I would suggest getting it all together. Get your mise en place in
Mise en place.
Mise en place in place, which means everything in place. And I've got a nice large skillet here. I put a tablespoon of olive oil, and this is beautiful broccolini. Have you ever cooked or eaten broccolini? It's just so delicious. A lot of people call it baby broccoli because it looks like baby broccoli. It's not actually. It doesn't grow.
The florets are smaller
Yeah.
and the stems are longer.
Yeah, and it doesn't.
They're both part of the cabbage family.
They don't grow up to be like big, like normal broccoli.
Right.
But anyway, they're so flavorful and they're so delicious. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to let this. It's so easy. I'm going to let this saute for about 5 to 7 minutes while you make Romesco
I'm making
sauce.
Romesco, y'all. The Loon's making Romesco.
So Romesco is an amazing. Well, he'll see. It's a Spanish
Yes.
sauce that we just love.
It's so good. All right, so I got my blender here, and I've got some blanched almonds. This is a tablespoon. 2 tablespoons of blanched almonds, and these are slivered. Didn't you sliver those, Chris?
I know. I
You
bought
bought them that
already slivered.
way. I'm just going to get these guys broken up just a little bit.
He's going to pulverize them a little bit.
Pulverize. Just to get them chopped up. There we go. Perfect.
You don't have to do this. You can put it all together, but he doesn't like it kind of the chunks.
I like them a little broken up. And now we've got obviously the star of Romesco is the roasted bell pepper. We've got one of them right here.
So you can roast one yourself, or you
can buy it.
You can buy really great roasted bell pepper. It's about a cup of roasted bell pepper.
And then I have a half a cup of fire roasted diced tomatoes.
Yum.
Oh, these flavors, y'all.
I know.
It's nuts.
Those were drained, by the way.
And then I have a teaspoon of garlic powder.
Yum.
And I've got 2 teaspoons of red wine vinegar.
Yum.
Yum. And then I've got a 1/3 cup of extra virgin olive oil.
Oh.
Y'all, this is so good.
It's the best sauce. It's the best sauce.
And then we're going to amp up the flavor with 2 teaspoons of 2 teaspoons of smoked paprika, Chris's favorite thing in the whole world.
I'm going to correct you. It's one
One tablespoon. Sorry, 1 tablespoon.
That's a lot
And
to
then
remember.
1 tablespoon of chili powder. I almost did it.
You almost did it, but that's good.
Almost. And then we've got about
half a
teaspoon of salt.
And my broccolini are just having a blast over here watching.
Yeah, and then we've got some bread, some
good old white
bread. I'm gonna break
country
it up.
white. If you can get some country white bread, 1 slice.
So good.
And we cut the crust off just so it kind of makes for a smooth sauce, like Wesley said.
So good.
Did you have everything?
I got everything in there.
Okay.
And now I'm just gonna puree this. Look at that.
Pure away your troubles away.
Wow.
Isn't that beautiful?
I think I am
Let it
loving
keep
this.
going. Yeah, let it go. Oh, that is so gorgeous.
Wow.
This sauce is good on all kinds of seafood. It's great on chicken. It's great on eggs. It's just
so good.
If you've never
I think
had
I'm
it
good.
before, I think you are.
Wow. All right.
Now, what you want to do, you want it to be, it's going to have some thickness to it, but it should be somewhat pourable. So, I think we're good. Let's see.
Oh, yes. I think I'm in love.
That's a wonderful consistency. Oh, my gosh.
All right. I've got this. I'm going to put this aside for
I've got
that
you a spoon
fish.
there if you want to.
Oh, yeah. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Mm-hmm. That is just amazing.
I love making Romesco.
You did a really good job.
And the great thing about it is that you can buy that roasted tomato or roasted bell pepper.
Yeah.
You don't have to worry about it.
Or you can do what we love to do, of course, and just roast your own. All you got to do is just put it over like a flame till it gets kind of charred, and then you just put it into a bowl, cover it with plastic wrap, and then you peel that skin, and you've got beautifully roasted bell pepper. Or you just, You just buy it in a jar, and that works perfectly well.
Oh, hold on. Now I'm getting set up for the cod, the
cod.
dredging of the cod. I'll
Yes,
put
yes.
this over here.
Okay.
We'll save this
You're
for
good.
later.
Okay.
And let's do this.
I've got a big, thick piece of broccolini
Bring this
here.
over
but This is
here.
getting nice and soft.
Wow. How's that looking?
Isn't that just beautiful?
Oh, yes, that is. Look at that color.
I know, that's where you want to do this until it gets really nice, bright green. Okay, now we're going to start really adding up flavor. This is 3 cloves of garlic that I've minced. Sometimes I do slivers, sometimes I do
like
minced.
minced
I kind of like the minced. And then just for a little bump of zest, I've got a pinch of red pepper flakes, and then I'm going to just eyeball this, but we're going to do about a half a teaspoon of kosher salt, and then I'm going to just stir this around until it's nice and aromatic.
Lovely.
Okay,
all right, while you're doing that, I'm going to start breading my cod. We've got 2 fillets here. They're about 5 ounces each, and we salt and peppered them. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to stick it in the flour, correct, Chris?
Yes.
Flour, egg, breadcrumbs, yeah.
Yes, we got your standard dredging. Okay, while you're doing that, now we're going to steam this. So I've got a 1/4 cup of water that I'm going to add. Yay! And then to add just the final flavor enhancer, I've got the half of 1 lemon.
Yay!
It's going to be a healthy teaspoon of lemon juice.
Look at that color. I love it,
so
love
great.
it, love it.
And then I'm going to put a lid on it
All
and
right.
let it just steam for about 2 minutes.
You put a lid on that. I'm going to put this into my egg.
That's 2 eggs that have
2
been lightly
eggs,
beaten.
and I'm just going to get it all nice and eggy.
Yep.
Eggy.
Okay.
And then I'm going to take it over here.
Shake off the excess.
To my breadcrumbs, which also has, this is a cup of Panko, and it has a half a cup of Parmesan and a little bit of salt.
3/4 of salt.
All right.
Yes.
All right.
So this recipe is actually for 5 to 6 ounce fillets, but we're just feeding ourselves. But obviously, if you're doing this for 4 people, you can do the full recipe. Okay.
All right. That's going to steam. I'm going to do my other fillet, and then we're going to cook them.
Yeah. Okay, so we've done through the magic of TV. Our broccolini.
TV, you're so showing your age.
I know. The broccolini is over here.
And it's
done.
steaming.
It's steaming. We're not going to show it to you yet, but it's beautifully cooked.
Got the Romesco
We got
done.
the Romesco go. I've got about 3/4 cup of olive oil that I have heated up, and we've got our beautifully breaded cod that Wesley did such a great job on.
Thank
now,
you.
again, this doesn't take a long time because it's fish, and that's what's so wonderful about it. And we're just going to put it in this nice hot oil, and it's going to take about 4 minutes per side. You just want that to get nicely browned, and then we're going to flip it, and then it's ready to eat.
I know.
It's my favorite time of the day. Plating time. All right, you guys. So this is so beautiful.
Eating time.
Eating time. It's feeding the loon time.
Look at that.
So we're gonna do some beautiful broccolini.
Oh, wow.
It's so nice and just sauteed.
I just love the taste of this
I do
broccolini.
too. All right, get ready.
Yes,
Mama's coming over.
All right.
Making it. I know you're making it pretty.
Oh, gorgeous.
You guys, you're gonna serve this to your guests, and they are gonna be. Now you don't want to be overly
this way.
overly crazy with the Romesco because it really is all about the fish.
Right there.
Okay.
Yeah, come on. There you go. A little more.
Let me give you just a little.
Oh, come on. But you know what? This Romesco's so good. I don't really care.
I know. It's just amazing. All right, then I'm gonna hit with just a little bit of parsley just because it's pretty. Okay,
Yes.
and
I'm gonna do a little squirt of lemon.
Oh, you guys! I'm telling you, this is such a wonderful thing to serve at a dinner party. So much of it you can prep and get ready ahead of time.
I'm dying.
Too. I am.
Here we go.
The anticipation is absolutely insane.
Let's push this up here so we can let people see from above. There we go. Yum! Yay, Chris! That looks so good.
Yeah, I mean it's pretty spectacular. I think it's. Well, we haven't eaten it yet.
And here's your
Thank you.
lemon.
It's certainly got the restaurant quality appearance. Now we just have to eat it.
Yay! Okay, y'all. Yay! Oh.
I love cod. I think it's not too fishy.
I gotta look at that, y'all. Look at how flaky that is. That's just
Perfectly cooked.
All right, I'm gonna bring over some of my Romesco, and then okay, I'm dying.
I know.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Okay. Hold on. Okay.
Just fork it.
I know. I'm just. All right. Here we go.
We always do that. I know, but wow.
The crunchiness
Yeah.
of that cod.
It's just lightly fried. It's not deep fried.
That Romesco adds such a depth.
I can't stop. I
You
just
can
got.
like the. You can tell the roasted. Okay.
Yeah,
Hold on.
it's got a depth of flavor that is
Wow.
just.
I need a little bit of my broccolini.
I know.
Hold on. I'm gonna go in for my broccolini.
You guys, this is fun.
I'm making a mess.
I hope you plan on making this.
We're making a mess with this broccolini. Hold on.
Broccolini is perfect.
I can't.
You can't sit here and eat the entire meal in front of our friends.
I'm like ravenous.
I know.
Wow! Oh, that broccolini
It all goes
has that,
together.
has that kind of like a.
The citrus and the garlic
Yes!
and the lemon. I know.
Y'all, this is like heaven on a plate, and it's 10,000%. You know what? It might even be 100,000.
Wow!
I know, because it is amazing.
It is amazing.
Loon approved.
And it's healthy. It's it's lightly fried. It's got a little cheese. But whatever. We'll overlook
It's
that.
healthy-ish.
Ish. It's healthy more than ish. It's It's so good, you guys. We
Look at
love
that.
it.
Look at that. Look at
It's time to celebrate seafood. You see food and you want to eat
eat
it.
it.
We love you.
We love
so
you.
much. Bye, everybody.
seafood, eat
Thank
food, love food.
God.